Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can do auto speech to text on Google Docs mobile. So here I've already opened a Google document and I want to do some auto speech to text. So what you need to do first is you need to make sure that you enable the voice typing feature on your phone. So when you click on the file, you'll see on the keyboard there will be a microphone icon like mine here. So you need to make sure that the voice typing in your phone is activated, and then after that, to do the speech to text, you can just click on the microphone icon, and here you can just say what you want to the text like this, and you can see there are some errors on the text and you can just make some editing after. And to pause, you can just tap the microphone icon, and to speak again, just click on the microphone again. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial will be helpful, so don't forget to click like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.